Good day, my wonderful learners. We still want to continue with percentage as a topic, and I want to encourage you to watch my previous video on percentage. So today we want to express decimal numbers in form of percentage. Example, convert the following decimal numbers to percentage. We have 0.08. The first thing that you need to learn is to know how to write decimal number in form of fraction. So if you want to write this should be 8. You can write out the number and replace this with 100. So this should be 8 over 100. This is how to write 0.08 in form of fraction. And if you want to write it in form of percentage, that means you need to multiply by 100%. You are going to have this, then your answer will be 8%. And there is another method of doing that. You can also multiply direct. That will be 0.08 times 100%. You can use your calculator. You are going to get 8% as your answer as well. Then when we have 0.32, take note, it's 0.32, not 0.32. It's wrong. You don't respect numbers after decimal point. It's 0.32. This will give you 32. The way I told you earlier, that you just need to write out the number, then you replace the first digit with 1 and replace others with 0. So this will be 32 over 100. Then, since you want to convert this to percentage, you need to multiply by 100%. 100 here, 1, 100 here, 1. So you are going to get 32%. And don't remember that there is another method that you can use. You can multiply it direct by 100%, and you will have 32%. Then the third question we have is 0.552. If you write out the number, you have 552, and by the time you replace, you will discover that you have 552 over 1000. Over 1000. So since you want to convert it to percentage, multiply by 100%. You will have 20, we eliminate 20 here. Then you have 552 over 10%. You can reduce it. 2 here will give you 2. In 15 you have 7. In 12 you have 6. Then 2 here will give you 5. So if you want to leave your answer in form of fraction, you will have 5. 5 in 27 will give you 5. 5 in 25 will give you 5. Then it remains 1 over 5%. So that will be 55 whole number, 1 over 5%. And likewise, you can express percentage in form of decimal. So let's solve this. Example, convert the following percentage to decimal numbers. So we have 35%. Don't forget that 35% is equivalent to 35 over 100. So how many 100 will you see in 35? That will be 0. By the time you add 0 to this, it will be 350. How many 100 will you see in 350? That will be 3. It will make 50. You add 0 to that 50, it will be 500. How many 100 will you see in 500? That will be 5. Then number 2, you have 7%. Don't forget that another way of writing this is 7 over 100. How many 100 will you see in 7? That will be 0. By the time you add 0 to it, it will become 70. 100 in 70 will still give you 0. You need to add another 0. 100 in 700 will give you 7. Then the third one is 49%. So you will have 49 over 100. And by the time you write this in form of decimal, you are going to have 0.49. So I want to encourage you to try this. Convert the following percentage to fraction. Number 1, you have 42%. Then number 2, you have 18%. Likewise, convert the following percentage to decimal numbers. Number 3, you have 5 whole number, 1 over 2%. Then number 4, you have 16%. Convert the decimal number decimal numbers below to percentage. You have number 5 and number 6 here, 0.28. Then you have 5.7. Then you should also convert the following fraction to percentage. So answer all these questions and put your answer in the comments section. 3/8 and 7/11. Thank you.